Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you this adorable star earring crochet pattern. This is very easy to make, and if you are new to crochet, don't worry, I'll be explaining all the stitches clearly for everyone to understand. First of all, we will look into the things needed. I'm going to be using these two colors of cotton yarn, size 8. 1.75mm steel crochet hook, 2 hook ear wires, 4mm jump rings, the yarn needle, pair of scissors, and the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. Before we dive into the video, I want to let you know that I've included the links in the description box below for all the materials you'll need. And if you purchase through those links, it helps support my channel at no extra cost to you. Plus, these are the materials I used to make the earrings, but today I'm going to be using a thicker kind of a yarn along with the 3mm hook for you to see the stitches clearly. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your pointer finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring. And then chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. After that, we are going to work 15 double crochets into magic ring. I will show you how to do that. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to stop for a bit and make the magic ring smaller by pulling this tail a little, and then we will continue making the next double crochets. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And then we will pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that, join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet of the round. This is the first double crochet, and we are going to go into the stitch on top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed the first round. Start round 2 by making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now skip the first chain from the hook and then work a single crochet into the next chain here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Now work a half double crochet into the next stitch here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again work a double crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again work a treble crochet into the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the treble crochet. And then skip 2 of the stitches and then work a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. So go into the 3rd stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the stitch. Now we have completed the first petal of the star. Chain 5 and then we will just repeat the same thing. Work a single crochet by skipping 1 chain into the 2nd chain from the hook, and work a half double crochet into the next stitch, now a double crochet into the next stitch, and a treble crochet into the very last stitch. After that, skip 2 stitches and work a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch here. Now we need to just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of round 2. We are going to work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round to join. With that we have completed the star. And then leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. This is what it looks like. And then use the yarn needle to hide the tail. Now we have completed the crochet star. Now you can see the comparison here. I have completed the same pattern by using size 8 yarn as well, and then we will see how to put all the pieces together to complete the earring. First we will take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers and insert that into a corner like this. Put the hook ear wire also into the jump ring and secure that with the pliers. With that we have completed one of the earrings. Just like the same we will make the other one as well. Now we have completed our pair of earrings. I hope the instructions are clear and you enjoyed making this as much as I did. We will meet again with another beautiful tutorial. Until then, happy crocheting!